What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We're gonna head out to the Goodwill, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go. Before we leave, we have to pay our respects to Miss Sophia. Goodbye, my love. You are the best puppy in the world. Give us good luck at the thrift store and hope we make a lot of money, right? Okay, bye. And yes, I just blew out the candle. Fire safety, kids. All right, pulling on in. It's kind of busy, so that's usually not a good sign, but hey, you never know. We'll find a nice parking spot right about here. Looks good next to the cart, and we'll head inside. All right, so first things first, gotta check out the media. You walk by, oh no, it's looking empty. That's not good. I always wonder what they do with all these when they get rid of them. I would like to buy them dirt cheap, but I think they send them to the Goodwill outlets and they get divvied out there. Space Camp. I'm pretty sure this is actually worth money. We'll look this up together in a second. See if I see anything else that looks good. Anything sealed, I just always look up, you know? You kind of have to. Sometimes sealed prices are wild. That looks like a reseal. But this is a legitimate seal. You can see it even has the old thing right there. So here we go. This is a perfect example of what I mean by just looking up anything new and sealed. This costs $2 at Goodwill. And you can see right here on the Amazon seller app, brand new, it's selling for $17.95. So after fees, I get 10 minus the 2. I'll make about $8 on it. If it were used though, it only sells for $5.95 and you would actually lose 2 cents selling it. So people pay a premium for brand new sealed, so that's going in the cart. So again, this one's used. It's $2 as well. Pretty sure everything's $2. Let's take a quick look. Brand new, $23.80. Pretty good. Used, $9. Only make $1. I'm gonna leave it. All right, so we got a good amount of DVDs here. Pretty much all sealed besides one, this Top Shot. And it's $5. I don't know why this one's $5 and the other are all $2, but hey, whatever, I'll take it. Still sells for about 20, so we'll take them. Not bad. Let's keep looking. All right, electronics and toys. Let's do it. Let's see what we find in here. All right, guys, we found something really interesting here. We have this Brother printer. It's an ink printer, ink and toner, so it's a combo. Comes with some ink, which is pretty cool. And take a look at this. Look at that price. Let's go back so we can double check, make sure everything looks correct. Oh, that's the XL. This is not the XL. So let's check. There's the regular one. Still though, holy moly, that's some money. I think we're gonna snag it depending on the price. What do you guys think this costs? Probably too much. It even comes with ink, so that's kind of cool. Let's see. Where is the price? There is no price. Why? Why is there no price? There really is no price on this. I'll stick it in the cart though. So I was just looking around and I noticed this printer doesn't have a price. This Blu-ray player doesn't have a price. They're not pricing anything. I don't know why. Literally nothing has a price on it. And they never sell things without prices on them. So I don't know why. Look at this cool Mickey Mouse thing. Pretty neat. That price is not neat though. So we're gonna leave it no matter what. It's also massive and I don't want to mess with it, but I don't know, is that worth $100? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments because I have no idea. What does it say there? Just American Toy Company. I don't see a year anywhere, but it looks pretty old. $100 though? I don't know. So I don't normally look through the books, but I noticed it's almost Halloween. We got a whole bunch of Stephen King books. We have The Dark Tower, I believe book 1, book 3, and Gunslinger. I don't know what that one is, maybe 4, I don't know. And then Drew McKeon, $1, $2. That could make it kind of a cool lot. I'm not sure. I think we'll throw them in the cart, try to get them listed before Halloween. They're not in terrible shape. This one's in the roughest shape, but the pages are all good. Same thing with this one. This one's in much better shape. And there is a Christmas card in there. Hello, kids. Okay. And then this last one right here. Yeah, looks good. Sweet. I think I'll take them. So here we go. We have an interesting predicament. Book, $3. Not bad. Here it is on Amazon. You guys can see that rank is over 4 million. Selling for 28 though. Rank's 4 million though. I don't know. I know they'll still sell, but is it worth it? Might sit for 2 years and I'll get charged fees. I don't know. Price might come down. I'm gonna leave it. Back in the day, I used to get Keurigs for $3 to $5. I know they've gone up a lot now. This one's probably like 10. Oh, it's 20. Holy cow. But I used to not even sell the whole unit because a lot of times it's all clogged up and it has to be cleaned and the shipping is a pain. But I would take these off and I would sell these separately for about $20 to $25. And it was very lucrative at the time because I was always finding them dirt cheap because every thrift store had so many of these, and they, you know, if they were priced at $10 half off day, $5, I'd grab them. And yeah, it's a shame. I don't think these sell for $25 anymore, and it doesn't matter because the unit is 20 anyways, but sometimes parting things out can work better than selling the whole unit. Another thing, let me come around here and show you guys. Another thing I used to do is with these drum sets, instead of selling the entire drum set and packaging it and shipping it, I used to pop off the pads and sell each pad for $20 to $25. And that market's kind of dried up as well too. Now the drums still themselves are worth good money, and I'd probably pick this up if it had the rest of the drum. It doesn't. And there's also no price on it. So I have no idea what to do with that. So we're gonna leave it. Alright, I could always use a rolling cooler. These Igloo rolling coolers are only $12 because they're from Target. These white tags at Goodwill means they got it on a Target pallet. And they have 2 of them. $12 is a pretty good deal. I'm sure you could flip them locally in the summer for 20, 25 bucks. They are brand new. Double your money. It is almost, well, it is fall, almost winter, so I'm gonna leave them. I kind of need one for myself, but I don't really need it to take up space in the house right now, so not sure. We also have an old-fashioned ice cream maker over here. That thing's huge. We'll look that up. And a croquet set. What? It's missing a stick, but that's still kind of cool. I'm gonna look that up. I'm curious. Another interesting thing, during lockdown, these pull-up bars were selling for crazy money. This is kind of an intricate one also. Has these little loops and extra handles. They've come down quite a bit, but you know, again, always look things up. Things change with the times, especially over the past few years. Prices have fluctuated like crazy on things. So, what is that, a beekeeping thing? There is some interesting stuff here today, guys. You know, I need a toaster oven, but I'd rather just buy a new one. So, let's look into this. All right, guys, they have it priced at $18. I scanned it in. And here it is, brand new, selling for $100. There's nobody selling it used, so you'd probably have to sell it for around $80 or so. But look at those fees; they're going to be a lot. So if I had to knock the price down 20 bucks, I'm only making about 40 bucks, which that's an easy double up. But this thing is so big, even shipping it into Amazon will probably cost you $5 to $10. So yeah, it's not really worth it. I don't know how clean it is in here. The box is pretty messed up, so I'm gonna leave it. If it was $5 or so, I'd probably take the gamble on it. 18, I'll leave it. Alright, so this Goodwill just added this little expansion of toys. I didn't even notice them. And I pulled off this What Do You Meme office expansion. It's a little dirty, it just needs to be wiped off, but it's brand new sealed. $2. Take a look at this. Decent rank, selling for 29 bucks. Make almost $20 on it. That's pretty sweet. We'll definitely take that. Let's see what else we got over here. Don't see anything else sealed. There is a vintage Mr. Potato Head. He looks vintage. 1996. Box is super damaged. He's in there. He's got some brown gunk all over him. We're gonna leave him behind. That's gross. What do we have here? A little dragon and nothing in there. Okay, empty. All right, not bad, not bad. You know, I'm gonna take a look at the clothes. I was getting comments of somebody asking me to look through clothes, and I never do because I hate selling them, but if I see anything, you guys will see. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. It's Orvis XL Lighthouse vest. It's ridiculous. $8. Another Orvis, $8. Just cotton button up. Orvis used to be really good. It's come down quite a bit. There's a Deadpool and a unicorn for $8. Wow, $8 for a t-shirt? What is going on? They say $3.99 and up, but $8, I don't know. All right, we got the cart, we left the Goodwill, and we have a very windy receipt here. Let's see how much I spent. There's our grand total of $48.92 after tax. Not too bad. The printer came out at $12. I found some of these Vasalors. They're just like aspirin capsules for $2. Those are good to have. They do sell for about 19 bucks a pop, so that's pretty sweet. I did find one extra Stephen King book, The Dark Tower 567, so I don't really have a complete set. I don't know how well it will sell, so we're gonna have to just kind of wing it there. And then of course, all of the DVDs and media here, pretty decent. There weren't really any good video games there today, so I didn't get any of those, but you know, pretty decent. This Top Shot sells for about 20. That Showboat sells for about 15. SEAL Team is about 20. Breaking the Rules is about 20. Homeland's about 20. Wild Thornberries was, what was that, like 10 in the beginning? So not too bad. That is a huge stack of money. This is all gonna be really good. That printer is the big winner of today. So I am super stoked about this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick thrift trip. Time to head home, get that stuff listed, get that stuff shipped off to Amazon, and make that money. Sophia gave us good luck today.